Then you can see this is for Africa. So this is how the form looks like. Yes, just 7 pages. Just 7 pages. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you all how to apply for a fully funded scholarship in the United Kingdom. Yeah, it also comes with monthly stipend, so do not watch the video to the very end. It is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for the scholarship. It's very easy, and the good part is that you only have to use 3 documents to apply. Only 3 documents. It's very easy. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go to your browser and type apply.swansea.ac.uk. The link is in the description. You'll be taken to this website, so you can find your course to apply. You can use the filter option by ticking your level of study, the rest of them. But I will be searching for let's say computer science, then undergraduate, then search courses. Okay, so once you get your course, once you get it, you see something like apply on information. You can check the information first, but I don't really need that, so I'll be clicking on apply. Please follow this video very well. Then you can select the course duration. It is important, yes. So they have full-time September, they have, which is 3 years. They have computer science with 1 year abroad, which is that if you are done in UK, you move to another country. Yeah, and this one is 4 years. It's also in September. Then they have computer science with a year in industry, which is immediately you are done, you have a 1 year internship opportunity. Yeah, this one is 4 years and it is still in the month of September. So the way this university is that they have options that you can just study at the university only. They have the option that you can study with an additional year abroad. Then they have the option that you can study with 1 year in industry. Yeah, it is like this for all courses. Don't think that it's only for CS. It is like this for all courses. Yes. So the next thing you want to do is to pick anyone. So I'm going with 1 year in industry. Then you can change the year of entry if you are applying to transfer. Yeah, which is if you are using the transfer program, you can change the year of entry, but it's not necessary because you are not going for transfer program for most of you here. Then after that, which year would you like to start? So 2025, which is the September intake, and if you're looking at starting in January 2026, yeah, then you create the application. Hope you guys are following. Okay, then this is it. Computer science with a year in industry, BSc Hons. Starting your application. So this is the course name, the course code, the group, the year, the full-time, the mode, full-time with a year in industry. Then you save and continue. Make sure you save and continue. Immediately you are done with a particular page, save and continue. Then you select your title. Master, Mrs, Mr and Miss. So I'm going for master. Yeah, I'm not yet married. Then the gender, male. First name, Emmanuel. Sorry, I'm using one hand to type because I'm holding my microphone, so I'm a bit slow. Then preferred first name. Yeah, if you are popularly known as something else, yeah, you put it. For me, I'm known as Emmy. But it's not necessary. I won't advise you to do this. Yeah, just forget about the preferred name. This is for tutorial purpose. Middle name, not necessary. Surname, this is just for educational purpose. Then your date of birth. Okay, of course I'm not gonna impute my real date of birth. Let's just go 2006. Then select anything. Then your nationality as stated on your international passport. Of course I'm Nigerian, so at least you're getting to know me. You're getting to know some few things about me. Nigerian. Then if you have a second nationality, you can impute it, but I believe there are few cases about this. Yes. Then country of residence. Is your permanent residence in the UK? No. Then your country of birth. Make sure everything you are imputing is correct. Make sure everything you are imputing is correct. Then your country of birth is also selected. The residential category you select. So for those of you that are international students, yes, you should go for either an EU national, which is a non-UK citizen. This EU national means that you are part of the European Union. Yes, so if you're part of the European Union, you click on this EU national, non-UK citizen. Then if you are non-European country, go for overseas or the non-European citizen. Hope you get. So I am in this category, so I'll click it. If you're in Africa, I think most of the African countries, or even all of them, are non-European countries. So Nigeria is one of them, so I'm clicking on that. Then input your passport number, then you upload your scanned copy of your passport. Yes. Then after that, you input your correspondence address. Yes. Now for the document, there are just 3 documents needed for this scholarship. This scholarship is a gold mine. They just need your international passport, they need your transcript, and I think they need your reference, which is motivation. Sorry, your recommendation letter. Yeah, and I think they also need your CV. You can upload your CV or you type in the work experience. So in total, there are about just 3 documents. I did my research. I have tried applying for this before. Yeah, I'm even applying for someone. So they need just 3 documents. They don't need much documents. So after that, input your correspondence address. After inputting your correspondence address, you input your permanent address with the details. You can see the details they're asking for, your city address and the rest of them. Those are the things you all should know. Then disability. If you have any disability or special need, also input it. Then you save and continue. Alright, so guys, from now I'll be fast because we don't have much time. Then for the qualification, you have to add a qualification. For those of you going for undergraduate, you add your school. Yes, you add your school. For those of you going for postgraduate, you add your undergraduate and school. Yeah, so let's see, since I'm going for undergraduate, I added my school, then the status completed or pending completed. Then you put in the completion date, qualification type, which is the board that give you that qualification. For example, if you're in Nigeria, it should be WASSCE, West African Senior Secondary Qualification Education Examination. Then the subject, which was your stream in school. For me, I did science, so it will be science there. Then your grade, the grade you obtained after completion, which is the total grade. Is it a distinction? Yeah, I also think you can write down all the grades you obtained first, which is A1, B2, then before putting in the total. Yeah, then the school name, the school country, then your certificate or transcript, anyone you have in upload this, then you save. The same thing you have to do for undergraduate. It is the same process. Yeah, then you save and continue. I think we don't have much time left, so I'll be very fast. So work experience, like I said, if you have, yes, then you can upload a CV or you add the history. For me, I prefer uploading the CV to save the stress. So if you're uploading a CV, you upload it here, you save and continue. Then language proficiency, if you have one of the approved language of proficiency, you can enter. These are the list of ones the university accepts: IELTS, Duolingo, Swansea University Professional English. From all, one of the cheapest is the Duolingo. Yes, this is one of the cheapest, but you don't have to bother about that. If you don't have any, you can use a medium of instruction. I mailed the school and they said it is accepted. Yeah, but it is recommended that you mail them first to confirm if they accept the particular type your school give to you. So make sure you mail it to them, and if they said it's acceptable, then you can upload it. Because I asked them, they said yes, they do accept, but you must show them to see if they can approve it. Then the qualification status, are you still working or it is still pending? You impute it. Then the results obtained, your work experience, it is not mandatory. Anyone you see the asterisk is mandatory. For this one, it is not mandatory, so you can just forget about it. Then the date you started this work, impute it. Then the supporting document, which is your CV, you upload. Then you save and continue. You can add as many work experience as you can. Then your personal statement, you can upload the document or you write it here. Yes, I advise you to upload the document, and in the description I pasted a link on how to write a perfect personal statement. It's something like your study plan. Yeah, so make sure you watch that video and check out the website. Then you save and continue. We are coming to the end of the tutorial. Then your references, people that can say good things about you, people that know you very well, people that can say good about you even when you are no more. Make sure you use those people. So you have to click on add reference, the name of the person, the email of the person, and his or her position. Yes, my advice for you is to go for a government worker, a doctor, a clergy, a clerk. You can also go for a notary. Yeah, go for people that are in high position, even a senior lecturer in school or just a normal lecturer, anyone would do. Then after that, you upload his recommendation. Yes, then you save and continue. Alright guys, so pay serious attention here right now. This is where you need to understand something.
Alright, the question is simple. Are you funding your studies yourself? It's very simple, yeah. But in a way, it's very, very tricky. Yeah, it is. It sure is. And if you don't get it right, you might be getting it twisted. Yeah, because if you click on yes, it means you or your parents sponsoring your education, and if you click on no, it means you are not. And at the same time, it's also it could also mean that your parents are the one sponsoring your education. Hope you guys are getting the idea here. So what I'm saying is, most persons might click on no because their parents are the ones sponsoring them. They might take the question the other way around. Most persons might feel that the question is, are you funding yourself? Meaning you yourself, are you funding yourself? And if they are not the ones doing it, they click on no and write down their parents' name there. But yes means you are the one sponsoring yourself or your parents. Hope you get the idea here. And the no means another person, maybe your guardian, your uncle, your nephew, your aunt, your cousin, or family friend, any one of that sort. Yeah. And an organization too. It could be a loan organization, a company in charge of giving out grants, student care organizations, the less privileged organizations. Yeah, so the idea is simple here. The answer is, if you are the one sponsoring yourself, like all by yourself, you click on yes. And if it's your parents doing the same, click on yes. But if another person, like maybe your cousin, your nephew, your guardian, or a family friend, you click on no and write down the name of the individual there. And if it's an organization, you write it down, because you can see it's the name of individual or organization. So if it's maybe someone that is not from your family, I mean by blood, like biologically, if it's not you or your parents, click on no and write down the name of the person. That's just the answer there. That's a simple answer. And if it's an organization, write down the name of the organization there. Okay, don't get it twisted.
Then you should also note that there's a separate form for the scholarship. Yes, so first, if you apply on this portal and you get an admission offer, yeah, you can proceed to apply on the scholarship portal. It's in the description. It is a Google form. But once you get an admission offer, you'll be asked to pay that initial deposit, and once you pay the initial deposit, that is when you can be able to apply on the Google form. Yes, you can't just get the admission offer and go ahead. No, I'm sure they will ask for proof. So once you get admission offer, they will ask for an initial deposit of 4,000 euros. Once you've paid that initial deposit, you will get the unconditional offer. Yes, unconditional. there are different conditional and unconditional. You will get unconditional and you will be able to proceed to the Google form for the main application. All countries have their own Google form, so I'll be sending you the link. Yes, and I'll be showing you also how to find your own form if necessary, but I think there's no need for that. I will just send you the link of all the Google forms of all regions. Yes, that is what I will do. So guys, after that you save and continue. Then declaration, you click on yes, then you submit the application. So guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Very easy. So hope you enjoyed the video. The application is quite easy. Yeah, very easy. No stress. So guys, I think I will just show you how to find the region. Yes, I think I will just show you how to do that. I think we still have some time left. So after applying, you can come to your dashboard here to check your status, your admission status here, and also keep checking your email to know when you get a message from the university, because from time to time I believe they will be reaching out to you to confirm some things, maybe if you made some mistakes in your application. So make sure your mail is active. Always refresh your mail. Don't wait till you get the message. Sometimes the message comes but you won't be able to see it until you refresh it. Yeah, that's what I noticed about them, so make sure you do that. So guys, let's go to the home. All right guys, so the way you can find the scholarship, all you have to do is to go to the course fees and funding for international students, but the link is in the description. Don't bother, the link is in the description. Anything you want is in the description, so do have to go there. So I was applying for undergraduate, right? So this is for undergraduate, international undergraduate scholarship. So if you are going for undergraduate scholarship, if you come to the page, you scroll down, you will see all regions. This is for Africa, this is for South Asia. So for Africa, you click on Africa, then you can see the amount up to 6,000 euros, 4,000 awarded in year 1 and 2,000 awarded in year 2, subject to achieving a 70% average. So you must be getting 70% and above. Yes, then the deadline, they have deadlines for them. So the deadline August, 30th of August, for 2024 entry. Yes, so that is how it is. Then this is the link. You see the scholarship form below, you click on it. So for that, you see they say you must be considered for, you must hold an offer to study with them first, so it was stated. So you click on the link, then you can see this is for Africa. So this is how the form looks like. Yes, just 7 pages, yeah. So that is how it is guys. So I'll be pasting this general link here so everyone can find their regions. Hope you get. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like and share with your friends, and also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss further updates on this particular scholarship. Like you, and you're nothing like me.